is Ganasham. I am 4th standard. Homophones. MEAT meet, Mamsa MEET meet, Beti Agu. SALE sale, Marata, SAIL sale, Naukayana. TAIL tail, Bala TALE tail, Kate. NEW new, Osa, KNEW new, Gottu. Antonyms: in, out, inside, outside, on, off, up, down. Countries and capitals: Afghanistan, Kabul, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Australia, Canberra, Austria, Vienna, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Belgium, Brussels, Bhutan, Thimphu, Brazil, Brasilia, Bulgaria, Sofia, Canada, Ottawa, Chile, Santiago, China, Beijing, Colombia, Bogota, Denmark, Copenhagen, Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo, Egypt, Cairo, Finland, Helsinki, France, Paris, Germany, Berlin, Greece, Athens, Shanghai, Budapest, India, New Delhi, Indonesia, Jakarta, Iran, Tehran, Iraq, Baghdad, Iran, Dublin, Israel, Jerusalem, Italy, Rome, Jamaica, Kingston, Japan, Tokyo, Kenya, Nairobi, North Korea, Pyongyang, South Korea, Seoul, Libya, Tripoli, Mauritius, Port-Louis, Mexico, Mexico City, Nepal, Kathmandu, Netherlands, Amsterdam, New Zealand, Wellington, Nigeria, Abuja, Norway, Oslo, Oman, Muscat, Pakistan, Islamabad, Palestine, Jerusalem, Rahman, Philippines, Manila, Poland, Warsaw, Portugal, Lisbon, Qatar, Doha, Russia, Moscow, Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, Singapore, South Africa, Pretoria, Taiwan, Tepa City, Uganda, Kampala, Vatican City, Venezuela, Vietnam, Hanoi. States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Dehradun, Union Territories and their capital of India: Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Port Blair, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Daman, Delhi, New Delhi, Lakshadweep, Kavratti, Puducherry, Ladakh, Leh, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. 5 oceans: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean. Continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. 10 Mukhya Upanishad: Isha, Vasha Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Munduka Upanishad, Chandukya Upanishad, Aitareya Upanishad, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Major rivers of India: Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamira, Bharani, Vaigai, Yamuna. Human body: number of bones 206, number of muscles 639, number of heart chambers 4, number of kidneys 2, number of milk teeth 20, number of bones in skull 22, number of bones in neck 7, number of bones in hand 30, number of bones in face 40, number of bones in ribs 24, 12 pairs, number of bones in volleyball column 83, number of bones in number of carnival nerves 12 pairs, number of bones in skull 22, number of lifespan of WBC 10 to 15 days. Blood pressure 120 to 180 of Hg. Preamble: We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Abbreviations: SSLC School Leaving Certificate, PUC pre-university course. BA Bachelor of Arts, BCom Bachelor of Commerce, BSc Bachelor of Science, MA Master of Arts, MCom Master of Commerce, MSc Master of Science, DOB Date of Birth, B Pharm Bachelor of Pharmacy, BPED Bachelor of Physical Education, BED Bachelor of Education, BEE Bachelor of Engineering. Symbols. National animal tiger, national calendar Saka calendar, national tree banyan tree, national animal, national food khichdi, national anthem Jana Gana Mana, national song Vande Mataram. Botanical names of fruits: mango, mangifera indica, banana, musa pedisca, apple, malus pumila, orange, citrus, missus, papaya, carica papaya, pineapple, ananas, composers, agava, ಪ್ರಿಡಿಯಂ ಗುಜಾವ. ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ವಿಜೇತರು: ಕುವೆಂಪು, ದ ರಾ ಬೇಂದ್ರೆ, ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕಾರ್ನಾಡ್, ವಿ ಕೃ ಗೋಕಾಕ್, ಮಾಸ್ತಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅಯ್ಯಂಗರ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಅನಂತಮೂರ್ತಿ, ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಕಂಬಾರ. 4 ವೇದಾಸ್: ಋಗ್ವೇದ, ಯಜುರ್ವೇದ, ಸಾಮವೇದ, ಅಥರ್ವಣ ವೇದ. ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಆಫ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ವಿಷ್ಣು: ಮತ್ಸ್ಯ, ಕೂರ್ಮ, ವರಾಹ, ನರಸಿಂಹ, ವಾಮನ, ಪರಶುರಾಮ, ರಾಮ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ, ಬುದ್ಧ, ಕಲ್ಕಿ. 6 ಋತುಗಳು: ವಸಂತ ಋತು, ಹೇಮ ಋತು, ವರ್ಷ ಋತು, ಶಿಶಿರ ಋತು, ಶರದ್ ಋತು. ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ: ಸರ್ವಪಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣನ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜಾಕೀರ್ ಹುಸೇನ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣನ್. ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ: ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣನ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜಾಕೀರ್ ಹುಸೇನ್, APJ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಕಲಾಂ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಮನಾಥ್ ಕೋವಿಂದ್, ಸದಾನಂದ ಮೂರ್ತಿ. Fundamental rights: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religions, cultural and education rights, right to constitutional remedies. Union Territories of India: Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Port Blair, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Daman, Delhi, New Delhi, Lakshadweep, Karachi, Puducherry, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. Neighboring countries of India: Pakistan, China, Bhutan, Nepal, Bangladesh, China, Myanmar, Sri Lanka. Neighboring states of Karnataka, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Goa. Thank you one and all.